Hello there, Jared from Camping World, Swedesboro, New Jersey. I have one of the more interesting pieces that I'm going to ever come across here at Camping World. It is a truck camper. So, as I go around here, you're going to see I am inside of the truck camper. Of course, you're still going to have your nice table, sleeping area, and all. Let me give you the other way across here. I'm taking a walk on the outside. It's a nice Starcraft unit. Anybody on a budget trying to spend under $5,000, I think this is about as cool as it gets. Just gotta have the right truck for it. So give me a call, Jared from Camping World, 856-241-1765.